Have you ever tried to visualize data in Kibana Timelion, only to find yourself stuck on how to add a vertical line? It can be a bit tricky, right? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together. I totally get it. Adding vertical lines in charts can feel like a missing puzzle piece. You're not alone in this struggle. Many users face the same challenge when trying to enhance their visualizations. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I add a vertical line in Kibana Timelion? They mentioned they already know how to add horizontal lines using commands like .value or .static, but they are unsure about vertical lines. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's the deal with vertical lines in Timelion? Unlike horizontal lines, vertical lines require a different approach. Understanding how Timelion processes time series data will help us find a solution. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make your data visualizations even more impactful. To add a vertical line in Kibana Timelion, the user should start by using the .annotate function. This function allows the user to mark specific points on the chart. Next, the user needs to specify the date where the vertical line should appear. This is done by providing the x-coordinate in the .annotate function. After that, the user can customize the appearance of the vertical line. This includes setting the color and style of the line to make it stand out. Finally, the user should combine the .annotate function with their existing Timelion expression to display the vertical line on the chart. Fun fact, did you know that the first data visualizations were created in the 18th century? They were hand-drawn and took hours to make. Thankfully, we have tools like Kibana to make it much easier. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user shares a workaround for adding a vertical line in Kibana Timelion. They suggest using a specific date range in the .es function to create a vertical line effect. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always label your vertical lines clearly. This helps anyone viewing your chart understand the significance of the line at a glance. And there you have it. You now know how to add vertical lines in Kibana Timelion. Remember, clear visualizations can make a huge difference in data interpretation. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips. And don't miss our next video, where we'll explore advanced visualization techniques.